how in the world to handle an infinite number of variables. And stay tuned to the end of this video to see the announcement of our new series that we're going to be doing. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be learning a little bit more about dictionaries. So realize that we really haven't done a lot, and one of the rules for variables is they can't start with a number. So this came up a long time ago, and I thought about it even a longer time ago. How in Python could we handle a scenario of more variables, infinite variables, and then stumbling, bumbling, fumbling through my experiences? These two kind of collided and came up with this. So here we go. So we know how to create. Let's just go ahead and bring this in. But basically, we're going to utilize what we know and our tools that we have at our disposal. So dictionaries, the keys can be digits. So then, Sam. So basically, if I were to go and have a counter and take input and do something, so then I got the second one, and then the second person is, Pete. Let's bring in Pete. All right, Pete, you're second. And Matt. Matt's a good friend. Bring him in. So now we have this. So if we were to go along the lines of having a starting point, we go along like we got our start. We got our start variable. 1. Then each time through, let's say we run a for loop, or we have, how would we want to do this? That, let's see, you're always taking an input. So name, and then input, please enter name. Let's get the space, make it look a little nicer. So there we are. And then each time we run this, so we even know that we could pull this and pickle this and put this out there. And then after that happens, we go and we do start, then plus 1. So this is how I utilized, I think it was entries in a punch. I forget the first time I used this. This was on an old computer, so I'm having to go through the handwritten notes of how I stumbled across these things. But like I said, in a dictionary, this is how we could handle a complete infinite number of variables that you don't know where you may end, and you're not having to create new variables, but in a way you are. You have your container, and your key is just incrementing up and up and up, and the value gets stored, and you just go from there, go from there, go from there. So just a nice little quick little tool that I've run across, and I hope saves you a little bit of pain, a little bit of struggle. You could throw this in a for loop, just like I think our infinite input, and constantly take somebody's name and a login, somebody you're taking conference, things like that. But this is a perfect tool, so you don't have to continue or wonder how many variables you may need. You just go ahead and use the keys at your disposal, and then link the input or the information to your value and your key. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And our next series is going to be on, we're going to be using the Python, the Yahoo Finance. So we're going to be messing around with some stocks. I think a little bit of people are getting a little bit more interested in that, especially in these days and times. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll just go for that on your next series. And also make sure you're hitting that community tab, because we are taking a poll on the next series after this one. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.